the transformation of industries with 3D printing. But before we begin, if you haven't yet, hit subscribe to be notified of new video releases, behind-the-scenes exclusives, and you may even be in the running for some exciting 3D printed prizes from the most innovative companies from around the world. First up, 3D printing is redefining precision medicine, creating customized implants and prosthetics. Looking ahead, we're on the brink of a medical revolution where 3D printed organs and tissues could redefine the possibilities of transplantation and patient care. Now, let's soar into the skies with aerospace engineering. 3D printing is not just building components, it's reshaping the entire industry. Imagine a future where complex air and spacecraft parts are intricately 3D printed, resulting in lighter, more efficient, and environmentally friendly air travel. Down on the ground, the automotive industry is experiencing a shift. 3D printing is transforming the way cars are designed and manufactured. Picture a future where every car on the road has components that were intricately 3D printed, leading to more customizable and sustainable vehicles. The construction industry is no exception to the 3D printing revolution. Today, we're witnessing the early stages of 3D printed houses. Looking forward, entire cityscapes might be constructed using this technology, revolutionizing how we build, making it faster, more affordable, and eco-friendly. Lastly, the world of consumer goods is becoming a playground for customization. 3D printing is empowering consumers to create personalized items, from clothing to household items. In the future, we might see a shift towards at-home 3D printing, allowing individuals to bring their unique ideas to life. In conclusion, the impact of 3D printing today is impressive, but the future possibilities are limitless. Which industry's transformation are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to like and subscribe.